100 plus extreme vehicles, monster trucks, fighter jets, and heavy diggers.
Excavator auger.
Excavator auger. This machine wields a massive, spinning hydraulic drill bit to bore perfectly vertical holes deep into the ground.
Backhoe.
Backhoe loader. This highly versatile machine combines a front loading bucket with a powerful rear digging arm. It is the undisputed workhorse of modern construction and urban utility projects.
Excavator demolition.
Excavator demolition. Featuring an incredibly long, reinforced arm, this giant safely reaches up to tear down unstable buildings. It systematically crushes thick concrete and steel to reduce massive structures to rubble.
Attack helicopter.
Attack helicopter. This heavily armed gunship dominates the battlefield from the skies with devastating firepower. It executes precision strikes while moving with unparalleled agility in combat zones.
Bucket wheel excavator.
Bucket wheel excavator. This colossal mining behemoth uses a rotating wheel of massive buckets to continuously carve through mountains. It stands as one of the largest and most awe-inspiring land vehicles ever built by humanity.
Bucket wheel trencher.
Bucket wheel trencher. This heavy-duty machine rapidly chews through solid earth to dig perfectly uniform trenches. It is heavily relied upon for laying miles of vital underground pipelines and cables.
Bulldozer.
Bulldozer. Armed with a massive steel blade, this tracked titan pushes immense piles of earth and rubble with ease. It is the ultimate earth-moving machine used to clear and level rugged landscapes.
Ambulance.
Ambulance. This vital emergency vehicle races through traffic to deliver life-saving medical care.
Plane.
Plane. This aerodynamic marvel safely transports hundreds of passengers or cargo across vast oceans at high altitudes. It shrinks the globe by making international travel incredibly fast and efficient.
Excavator hammer.
Excavator hammer. When solid stone stands in the way, this devastating machine brings the thunder directly to the construction site. Wielding a massive hydraulic breaker, it unleashes a relentless barrage of high-impact strikes to brutally shatter the Earth's hardest surfaces. It violently pulverizes thick concrete pavement, rugged bedrock, and stubborn boulders into easily manageable rubble. The sheer percussive force of this mechanical beast vibrates through the ground, showcasing a truly spectacular display of raw, destructive power.
Feller Buncher Excavator.
Feller Buncher Excavator. This aggressive forestry behemoth is the ultimate apex predator of the modern timber industry. Equipped with a menacing, high-speed cutting head, it effortlessly slices through massive tree trunks in the blink of an eye. Instead of just felling timber, its powerful hydraulic arms securely grab and tightly bundle multiple falling trees simultaneously. It moves through dense, unforgiving forests with relentless efficiency, clearing massive tracts of land faster than an entire crew of lumberjacks ever could.
Dragline excavator.
Dragline excavator. Towering over massive open-pit mines, this colossal earth-moving titan is an absolute marvel of heavy engineering. Instead of a traditional stiff hydraulic arm, it uniquely casts a gigantic steel bucket using incredibly thick wire ropes, swinging it out over vast distances. It smoothly drags its massive payload back across the rugged terrain, effortlessly stripping away thousands of tons of dirt and rock in a single, sweeping scoop. Operating on a scale that defies imagination, this mechanical giant permanently reshapes massive landscapes and uncovers vital resources buried deep below.